Hi friends, today we will see the lesson patterns. First, let's know what is a pattern. A pattern is formed when objects, events and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way. We call this a pattern. First, we are going to see about patterns in shapes. Creating patterns of regular and irregular shapes by stamping. Come, let's see the examples. Block patterns created using handprints and footprints are shown below. Next, you are seeing the handprints. In this, we have used many colors. Like this, you create more patterns using fingers, hands, leaves, seeds, bottle caps, etc. Next, we are going to see about patterns in geometrical shapes. There are two types of patterns. Let's see what are they. Okay, growing patterns and repeated patterns. We are going to see about growing patterns. If some patterns and designs increase or grow with straight lines and geometrical forms, they are called growing patterns. Let's see the examples. See in this, first 1 square, next 2 squares, next 3 squares. It is growing on. See in this, first 1 spade, next 3 spades, next 5 spades. Like this pattern is growing. Okay children, let's practice. Come on. First, continue the growing patterns. First question, see the clocks. In these, the time is consistent in every 3 clocks. Consistent means, see in this clock, in this first clock, it's 3 o'clock. In the second clock, what time is showing? 6 o'clock. Next clock is 9 o'clock. So, interval after 3 hours, the time is showing. So, in the next clock, what time will be showing? 9 plus 3 equals to what? Yes, 12. So, in the next clock, the time will be 12 o'clock. See the next question. In this first row, 1 arrow is there. Next, 2 rows, 2 arrows. Total 4 arrows. Next, 3 rows and 3 arrows. Total 9 arrows. So, what will be the answer? You are right. 4 rows and 4 arrows. Total 16 arrows. Next, third question. First, 1 club. Next, 3 clubs. So, how is it growing? It is growing through odd numbers. Next, 5 clubs. So, what will come next? Yes, 7 clubs. It's easy peasy, right? Next, fourth question. In this, first 1 circle, next 2 circles, next 3 circles. What will come? Yes, 4 circles. This is so easy, no? Okay, let's go to fifth question. First, 1 rectangle. Next, on top of that, they have drawn another rectangle. Next, another rectangle on top of the second rectangle. So, what is the answer? You tell me. Very good. You should draw another rectangle on top of the third rectangle. Okay, draw it. Sixth question. First, 1 square. Next, 2 squares are increased. Next, only 1 square have increased. See the next? So, what could be the answer? Yep, I think you got that. 2 squares should increase. Okay, have you drawn it? Next, continue the growing patterns. See the first question. First, 1 up arrow. Next, 2 up arrows. Next, 3 arrows. Next, 4 arrows. So, what answer? Tell me. Yes, 5 up arrows. Next, second question. See, there is a triangle, rectangle, circle in the first line. See in the second line, These shapes are repeated 2 times. In the third line, it's repeated 3 times. So what could be the answer? Yes, triangle, rectangle, circle. You should draw 4 times, okay? Next, third question. First, 2 squares. Next, 4 squares. Next, 6 squares. What will come? Yes, 8 squares.